Welcome to today's financial update for August 8th, 2025. We've selected key highlights from the world of business to keep you informed and ahead of the game. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines. We begin with the latest movements in the stock market as reported by the Wall Street Journal. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 220 points following the implementation of new tariffs. These tariffs, part of President Trump's escalating trade measures, are impacting numerous countries and sectors. Yet, amid the mixed market reactions, Apple shares showed resilience and rallied, indicating strong investor confidence in the tech giant. Meanwhile, in a move to diversify retirement investment options, Bloomberg reports that President Trump signed an executive order. This order facilitates easier access for private assets, such as real estate and cryptocurrency, in 401k plans. Industries see this as a significant victory, potentially drawing more investors toward alternative asset classes. On another front, Stephen Moran has been nominated by President Trump to the Federal Reserve Board as noted by the Financial Times. This nomination aligns with the administration's broader strategy to shape monetary policy. Moran, with his expertise, is expected to bring unique perspectives to America's central banking system. The Wall Street Journal highlights that despite new tariffs, the European Union has agreed to maintain a tariff ceiling for chip exports to the U.S. This development shows a diplomatic effort to stabilize tech trade amidst ongoing tensions. Rolling Stone reports Treasury Secretary admitted the financial burden of Trump's tariffs largely falls on American consumers. This revelation adds a layer of complexity to the ongoing tariff debate, stirring discussions on their long-term impact on the U.S. economy. Moreover, according to Investors Business Daily, the Dow Jones continues to experience volatility. After initial gains, it saw losses exacerbated by concerns over these tariffs. However, the Nasdaq also faced similar declines, signaling widespread uncertainty among investors. Switching gears, Eli Lilly's shares took a nosedive, plummeting 14%, as Forbes details. This downturn follows disappointing data from its obesity treatment pill, trailing behind competitors. It's a stark reminder of how competitive and sensitive the pharmaceutical industry can be to new data. In the aerospace sector, Firefly Aerospace celebrated a successful debut launch as reported by Investors Business Daily. However, Rocket Lab's shares eased slightly ahead of upcoming results. These movements underscore the dynamic nature of the space industry as companies seek to capture emerging market opportunities. According to Realtor.com, mortgage interest rates have dropped to a 4-month low. This decline adds pressure on the Federal Reserve, which may need to revisit its monetary stance to maintain economic stability and support housing market growth. Additionally, Al Jazeera reports President Trump called out Intel's CEO to resign over the company's investments in China, highlighting tensions in tech and international relations. This public statement showcases the intricate balance between geopolitical strategies and corporate decisions. In the transportation sector, the Points Guy reveals American Airlines' ambitious expansion plan with 6 new European routes for next year, indicating strong demand and strategic growth in international travel markets. Lastly, an intriguing story from Ars Technica. Trump once requested a US-made iPhone, but Apple playfully responded with a gold statue. This highlights the ongoing push for domestic manufacturing amidst global supply chain challenges. In conclusion, today's financial landscape is as complex as ever, shaped by policy shifts, market volatility, and industry innovations. As we navigate these waters, staying informed is crucial for making sound financial decisions. Thank you for joining us in this financial update. We hope you found these insights useful. Stay tuned for more updates and have a prosperous day.